After scoring 80% in class 12, I decided enough theory, I am launching my coding journey. Welcome to the coding world. I am Sarthak and I am starting my coding journey just after my class 12 and my JEE exam. I am sharing this video just to show you guys what efforts I am making to become a web developer or simply to become a programmer. In this video, I have also told about what resources I am following and how to learn web developing, and I also shared my first project. So before going forward into the video, I would like to share my intro and tell you guys why I am learning coding. If I talk about me, I am Sarthak and I also have qualified the JEE main examination with a score of 96.15 percentile, and I am starting web developing to learn a skill which I can perfect and use it for my future, like for freelancing, etc. Let's move on to the main video. Basically, I have currently learned HTML, which is the core language to know before web developing and programming a website. Of course, I am preparing my front end part first and discussing on HTML. It is the foundation of websites, because if we do not know HTML, we can't prepare the website. And now let me tell you guys what resources I am following. If I talk about the resources I am currently using to become a web developer, I am following lectures uploaded on Apna College YouTube channel, which are recorded by Sarthak ma'am. And if I talk about the lectures, they are really good. Now let me show you the website which I made through my knowledge of HTML and CSS. Only HTML, not CSS. As you can see, this was the coding that I do to make that website. And if I show you the website that I made through my knowledge of HTML, you can see here I wrote a word that is hello world, which is the common word used by a coder. And after that I wrote about me, like I wrote here I am Sarthak, a student that just completed class 12 and the JEE exam. And after that I wrote a section for my hobbies, where I wrote 3 pointers, and to make these pointers there is a tag which is known as list tag, and here I used a unordered list. And after that I wrote what I like, and here I also used the pointer tag. And as you can see in the other paragraph, I wrote contact me section, where you can really put your email on the box shown. As you can see, I am writing here Sarthak, and if I want to write my email, I can really type here sarthak@gmail.com blah blah blah. And after that I can really submit the email, and the email will be given to my database. And after that, useful links, I wrote here useful links, and if I click on the Amazon link, the official page of Amazon will open. And if I click on the Flipkart page, the official page of the Flipkart will open. Wait, and as you can see there, the Flipkart page is opened. And at the end I use the image just for the practice. Now let's have a little talk on how to become a web developer. So basically, as I know, web development consists of mainly 2 parts. First one is front end development, which makes the front part of the website, like how the website will look. Second one is back end development, which does not deals with the front end, but rather it deals with the back part of the website. So for front end, you have to learn 3 languages. First one is HTML, second one is CSS, and third one is JavaScript or JS. I am completing these 3 from Apna College, and for backend you have to learn only one language, Django or Node.js. I will be learning Node.js because it is more good if we know JavaScript. If you are still watching, you are serious. Comment I am in if you are ready to start your journey too. Now if you are also starting coding after class 12, comment below your biggest goal and hit subscribe to learn together. Let's meet you on next Sunday.